Today we're making honeycomb with only 5 ingredients.
First ingredient, 1 1/4 cups of sugar.
Second ingredient, a pinch of salt.
Third ingredient, 1/2 cup of honey.
Fourth ingredient, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
For the fifth and final ingredient is 1 tablespoon of baking soda.
First we add sugar, salt and honey.
Now place the pan over medium heat.
Stirring occasionally
Till we reach 145 degrees Celsius or 295 degrees Fahrenheit.
Then turn off the heat and add the baking soda and vanilla extract.
Stir it together and pour your new honeycomb mixture onto a baking tray. Then leave it standing until it reaches room temperature.
All we need to do now is break it and eat it. Well, that's it, guys.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Bye.